Hello Sunbeamers, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start new chapter of science, that is plant reproduction. So first we will learn what is reproduction. First we shall learn, sorry, I will write in text only, that is better. Okay. What is reproduction? Producing young ones. Producing young ones or new organisms. New organisms from an organism. मीन्स एक ऑर्गेनिज्म से और एक ऑर्गेनिज्म का प्रोडक्शन उसको बोलते हैं रिप्रोडक्शन. ठीक है. So the first thing that we will read in this chapter is fertilization. Is fertilization. What? Fertilization. Okay. Fertilization. One thing, the most important thing is fertilization. So what is fertilization? Fertilization means fusion. Fertilization means fusion. Fusion. किस चीज का fusion? The fusion of gametes. Fusion of gametes. Fusion of gametes. Okay. What are the gametes? In males, the gamete is pollen grain. The gamete is pollen grain. Okay. And in female, the gamete is egg. Okay. Egg in ovule. Egg in ovule. Okay. So what is the process? So first I will draw a diagram, then you will understand. Okay. Here we have pollen grains. Here we have pollen grains. The pollen grains come to stigma. This is stigma. This is your stigma. Okay. This is your stigma. The pollen grains comes to stigma. After that, pollen tube formation starts. Okay. Pollen tube. Pollen grain comes to stigma. After that, it forms a tube, goes to the style, and after that, here is your ovary. The swollen part I've read in the chapter 4. Ovary, and through this part, it enters into the ovule and fuses with the फीमेल सेल इन ओव्यूल. ओके. फ्यूजेस. जो मेल है वो फीमेल के साथ मिल जाएंगे. मेल सेल fuses with the female cell in the ovule. Where fertilization occurs? Occurs in ovule. Occurs in ovule. Occurs in ovule. Okay. And what is produced? What is produced? Fertilized egg is produced. Fertilized egg is produced. So the female cell is called as egg cell. The female cell is called as egg cell. So three things we have learned here. What is fertilization? Fusion of male and female cells. Fusion of male and female cells. What are the male cells? Pollen grain. And female cell is egg in the ovule. Okay. Where it occurs? In the ovule. and what is produced? Fertilized egg is produced. Now, what after fertilization? What after fertilization? Okay. What is after fertilization? Post fertilization. Post fertilization, the sepals, petals, and stamens. Sepals, petals, and stamens fall off. गिर जाएगा. You know sepals. You have read chapter 4. You can open your book and see sepals, petals, and stamen fall off. क्या होते हैं? गिर जाते हैं, निकल जाते हैं. And the ovary swells and changes into fruit, and ovule change into seeds. जो ovary होता है, this point is a very important point. The ovary क्या बनता है? स्वेल करता है. क्या करता है? स्वेल करता है. और क्या बन जाता है? फ्रूट बन जाता है. इट बिकम्स अ फ्रूट. And the ovules are present inside the ovary, so ovule becomes seeds. Okay. And who protects the seeds? The fruit. The fruit protects the seeds. So there are different kinds of fruit. So here we will do a column and read kinds of fruit. This much you remember. Ovary swell up and become fruit. Different kinds of fruit. Kinds. Different kinds of fruit. Kinds of fruit. Write down. Number one kind is fleshy fruit. Fleshy fruit क्या होगा? Example mango. Right. Fleshy fruit. Example is mango. Dry fruit. Example bean, pea. Dry fruit example is your bean and pea. They are dry. They are not fleshy. But mango, you see, it will the watery things will come out. If you squeeze mango, watery things will come out. Yellow fluid like things will come out. But if you squeeze bean and pea, nothing will like this will come out. So it is a dry fruit. Okay. And there are different kinds of fruit, like they have one seed, they have two seeds, or they have many seeds. So one seeded fruit, if you see, one seeded fruit, one seed fruit is your mango. In mango there is only one seed. In mango there is only one seed. And in lychee also, if you see, if you have eaten lychee, in lychee also we have only one seed. But in pomegranate we have many seeds. In pomegranate we have many seeds. Okay, I think this much is clear. So now we will read how new plants are produced from seeds. So many seeds can be produced by a single plant. Many seeds can be produced by a single plant, and some of them are eaten by us, some are eaten by birds, and some are eaten by animals. Okay, so some of them are eaten by us, some of the seeds are eaten by plant, and some of the seeds are eaten by animals. Some of them got crushed and some may not get good conditions to grow. मतलब अगर एक सीड है एक फ्रूट में, तो वो पूरा चांसेस नहीं होता है कि वो सीड ग्रो करेगा न्यू प्लांट में. Okay, कुछ सीड हम खा लेते हैं, कुछ सीड बर्ड्स खा लेते हैं. सम आर इटन बाय एनिमल्स, सम गेट क्रस्ट मतलब वो मसल जाते हैं, खराब हो जाते हैं. एंड सम ऑफ देम मे नॉट गेट राइट कंडीशंस टू ग्रो. मतलब उन्हें आज पानी नहीं मिलेगा, उन्हें एयर नहीं मिलेगा, उन्हें टेम्परेचर अच्छा नहीं होगा. अगर ज्यादा टेम्परेचर हो गया या मतलब ज्यादा ह्यूमिडिटी हो गया तो सीड्स ग्रो नहीं करेंगे न्यू प्लांट्स पे. तो देयर मस्ट बी फेवरेबल कंडीशन. फर्स्ट कंडीशन क्या है? There must be favorable condition, favorable conditions for growth of seed into a plant. Growth of seeds into a plant को favorable condition चाहिए. अभी देखो सीड का स्ट्रक्चर थोड़ा पढ़ लेते हैं. ठीक है, सीड का स्ट्रक्चर. दिस इज अ सीड. आपके सामने स्क्रीन पर ये सीड है, ठीक है। एंड द सीड, जो आउटर कवरिंग, ये आउटर कवरिंग को क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग? आउटर कवरिंग को हम लोग बोलते हैं सीड कोट। ओके, आउटर कवरिंग को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? सीड कोट। क्या है? आउटर कवरिंग। सीड कोट इज द आउटर कवरिंग, टफ कवरिंग, अब लिख सकते हो टफ आउटर कवरिंग। क्या करता है वो? फंक्शन क्या है? ये तो लोकेशन हो गया, फंक्शन है प्रोटेक्ट सीड। प्रोटेक्ट सीड, ये जो है सीड को प्रोटेक्ट करता है, ठीक है। और क्या फंक्शन है इसका? प्रिवेंट्स द बेबी प्लांट एंड स्टोर्ड फूड फ्रॉम ड्राइंग अप। क्या यहाँ एक बेबी प्लांट निकलता है? अगर देखो यहाँ एक बेबी प्लांट निकला है, ये है बेबी प्लांट, तो इसका जो फूड मटेरियल है वो ड्राई नहीं होगा। प्रिवेंट फ्रॉम ड्राइंग द फूड मटेरियल, प्रिवेंट द बेबी प्लांट, prevent the baby plant, and also prevents drying of stored materials. ठीक है, also prevent drying of stored materials, stored materials को भी वो prevent करता है। तो जो बेबी प्लांट होता है उसमें क्या होता है? बेबी शूट होता है, बेबी रूट होता है। यू हैव ऑलरेडी रेड शूट और रूट। एक बार रिवाइज कर लेते हैं। सपोज ये सॉइल है, this is your shoot, this is your root. Part above the root soil is called shoot, below the soil is called root. Okay, तो बेबी प्लांट को क्या बोलते हैं? एम्ब्रायो बोलते हैं। एम्ब्रायो क्या बोलते हैं? एम्ब्रायो। देखो इसको क्या बोलते हैं? एम्ब्रियो। एम्ब्रायो जो भी है, एम्ब्रियो तो बोलते हैं हम लोग एम्ब्रियो। ओके, एम्ब्रियो का क्या होता है? बेबी शूट भी होता है और बेबी रूट भी होता है। इट हैज बेबी शूट एंड बेबी रूट। एंड जो सीड लीव्स होता है बेबी प्लांट के दोनों तरफ, क्या होते हैं? सीड लीव्स होते हैं, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? कॉटिलीडन। द सीड लीव्स आर कॉल्ड कॉटिलीडन। कॉटिलीडन को क्या बोलते हैं? सीड लीव्स। कॉटिलीडन इज कॉल्ड सीड लीव्स। ओके, कॉटिलीडन इज कॉल्ड सीड। Seed leaves are called cotyledons. What is the function of cotyledon? Very important. Function of cotyledon. Seed leaves called cotyledons. What is the function of cotyledons? Function, very, very, very important. Function is very important. Function क्या है? देखो, protect the embryo and store food in it. Protect the embryo and store food in it. And why this food is stored? Food क्यों store हुआ है? Because the stored food helps the baby plant to grow until it can make its own food. मतलब प्लांट ग्रो करने तक, वो अपना फूड खुद पाने तक ये जो स्टोर्ड फूड है वो यूज आता है। ओके, help the baby plant to grow until it can make its own food. Till the plant grows to the in a good condition, plant is grown up to a good extent, and it has got leaves, new leaves, which will produce its own food. Till then, this stored food produced by the cotyledon is very, very important. Okay, so now we will learn seed germination. Seed germination. Seed germination. What is seed germination? The process of growth of plant from a seed. the process of growth of plant from a seed. From a seed. The process of growth of plant from a seed. Okay. And what are the right condition? Because when the seed will germinate, it should have right conditions. It should have right conditions. What are the right conditions? Water, air, and warmth. What is warmth? Sunlight. Warmth means sunlight. Okay. Warmth means sunlight. Okay. So what happens? What is the process? The seed will absorb water from the soil. It will absorb water from the soil. Okay. And after that, it swells up. When this is a seed, suppose this is a seed and it will absorb water from the soil. Water kahan hoga? Water will be in the soil. So all water will go to the seed and it will absorb it and swell up. It will absorb it and swell up. It will grow in size, and as it comes in contact with water, the tough covering of the seed, that is the seed coat, okay, as it will come in contact with water, the tough covering, what is the tough covering? Seed coat. The seed coat will rupture, will start becoming soft. Seed coat, it was hard, it was tough, but when it will come in contact with water, it will become soft. And the baby plant will start growing. So first what will come? First roots will come. Small baby roots will come first. Baby roots will come first. Okay. And they grow down the earth. This is the earth. They grow down the earth. Root will grow down the earth. Down the earth, and shoots will grow towards the sunlight. After roots, shoots will come. Shoots will come. They will grow towards the sun. They will grow towards the sun. The sun, the root will go towards the earth. This is the earth, means soil, and shoot will grow away from the soil, means towards the sunlight. And the leaves also start coming, and the young plant called a seedling. What is seedling? This is a seedling. You see in the picture, this is a seedling. This is a seedling. क्या बोलते हैं इसको हम लोग? Seedling. This is a seedling, and this seedling starts appearing soon and goes into a adult plant. Okay. And again, when flowers will come, they will again make seeds, and the process continues. It's a cyclic process. Germination is a cyclic process. If I'm not wrong, germination is a cyclic process. So for today only this much. We will move in your next class. We will continue this chapter. Next class we will learn dispersal of seeds and vegetative reproduction. So thank you, and please like and subscribe to the channel. Okay, bye bye. Take care.